all the trash, all the pallets are gone. Got the big weeds cleared. Got that burn pile kind of scooped up. Got a spot for the Connex over there. Knocked down some of the big weeds. Got all this trash that was in here cleaned up. And I knocked down one tree. Now that I got a spot cleared, all the big weeds knocked down, got all those pallets and all that junk burned up and dealt with, I need a base of operation. So we also need a long-term storage for a whole bunch of stuff that we can't fit in our rental property. I don't know how long it's going to take us to build this, but I need a place to store my car lift, my tools, my gym equipment, Christmas stuff, you know, anything that won't fit inside the rental. We got to have a place to store it. So Connex or shipping container or whatever you want to call it was the next logical step. And to get it up the hill here was a little bit of a feat. That little yellow thing, bulldozer looking thing, is called a house tug, and that is what they use to move mobile homes. And I did some research and found out that there's all kinds of attachments you can get for shipping containers, and one of those is wheels. So for about $1,000, I got some wheels that lock into the corners of the shipping container. For about $100, I bought a giant chain, way bigger than I needed to, and paid these guys $500 to get my shipping container up the hill and help me put it in place. It took us about 2 hours to get it up the hill and in place. So all for about $4,000-ish. I have a shipping container that's watertight and I can lock up my tools and stuff. And I did it safely without hurting myself or hurting any of my equipment. So if you need to move a shipping container to an odd place, think about that. A house tug comes in really handy for this sort of a situation. They help me level it out, help me get it in place, help me get the wheels out from underneath it. Worked out pretty good.